Welcome to this step-by-step guide for installing Windows 11 on VMware Workstation Pro. Before you begin, make sure you have three things ready. First, VMware Workstation Pro installed on your computer. Second, the Windows 11 ISO file downloaded from Microsoft. And third, at least 64 gigabytes of free disk space. Let's get started. Phase 1. Create the virtual machine. Launch VMware Workstation Pro. On the home screen, click Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical Recommended. Click Next. Select I will install the operating system later. Click Next. For guest operating system, select Microsoft Windows. For version, select Windows 11 x64 from the drop-down menu. Click Next. Name your virtual machine. Type Windows 11, or any name you prefer. Choose a location to save the VM files, or accept the default. Click Next. This is the encryption information screen. This step is critical for Windows 11. For encryption type, select only the files needed to support TPM are encrypted. Now enter a password. Save this password somewhere safe. Without it, you will never be able to start this virtual machine again. Confirm your password by typing it again. Optional. Check Remember Password on this machine. If you do not want to enter it every time. Click Next. For disk capacity, leave the default at 64 gigabytes. Select Split Virtual Disk into multiple files. Click Next. Click Finish. Your virtual machine is now created. Phase 2. Configure hardware. Click Edit Virtual Machine Settings. For memory, set it to 4 gigabytes. For processors, set it to 2 cores. For CD/DVD SATA, check Connect at Power On. Select Use ISO Image File. Click Browse and select your Windows 11 ISO file. Click OK. Hardware configuration is complete. Phase 3. Install Windows 11. Power on the virtual machine. Click the green play button. When you see press any key to boot from CD or DVD, press any key on your keyboard. If a boot manager screen appears, use the arrow keys to select FI VMware Virtual SATA CD-ROM drive. Press Enter. Then press any key again when prompted. If Windows boots directly without showing the boot manager, simply continue. Windows setup loads. You will see a blue Windows logo. Select your language. Click Next. Select your keyboard layout. Click Next. On Setup Options, click Install Windows 11. Check the box that says, I agree that everything will be deleted. Click Next. On Product Key screen, click I do not have a product key. Select the Windows 11 edition you want to install. For example, Windows 11 Pro or Windows 11 Home. Click Next. On License Terms, click the Accept button. On. Select the location to install Windows 11. The partition is already selected. Just click Next. On. Ready to install. Click the Install button. Wait for the installation to complete. The virtual machine will restart several times. Do not press any keys during these restarts. Phase 4. OOBE Setup. Coming up is the most important part of the installation. Stick with me because if you miss this next step, Windows will force you to connect to the internet and sign in with a Microsoft account. I will show you how to set up Windows without an internet connection or a Microsoft account. This will save you time and keep your local account private. Pay close attention to bypass the internet requirement. Do not skip this part. First, select your region. Click Yes. Second, select your keyboard layout. Click Yes. Then click Skip for the second keyboard layout. Third, on the Let's connect you to a network screen, press Shift F10 on your keyboard. A command prompt window opens. Type OOBE /bypass intro. Press Enter. The virtual machine will restart automatically. Wait for it to reboot. After the restart, select your region again. Click Yes. Select your keyboard again. Click Yes. Click Skip. Now you will see the I do not have internet option. Click it. Next, on Who is going to use this device, enter a name for your computer. Click Next. On Create a super memorable password. Enter a password. You can leave it blank if you prefer. Click Next. If you entered a password, confirm it on the next screen. Click Next. If you entered a password, you will see Choose 3 security questions. Select your questions and type answers. Click Next. On privacy settings, click Next. Click Next again. Then click Accept finally. The Windows 11 desktop will appear. Installation is complete. Phase 5. Install VMware Tools. VMware Tools makes your virtual machine run smoothly. It enables features like drag and drop, copy and paste, and automatic screen resizing. Do not skip this installation. Stay with me as I show you how to install it the right way. Before we install VMware Tools, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support helps us create more tutorials like this one. Click the VM menu at the top of the window. Select Install VMware Tools. An autoplay pop-up may appear. If it appears, click Run Setup 64.exe. If the autoplay pop-up does not appear, follow these steps. Open File Explorer. Click this PC in the left sidebar. Under Devices and Drives, you will see a DVD drive labeled VMware Tools. This disk is already mounted. Double-click the DVD drive. The installation will start automatically. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. The VMware Tools wizard opens. Click Next. Select Typical Installation. Click Next. Click Install. When installation finishes, click Yes to restart the virtual machine. VMware Tools is now installed. Take a snapshot. Click the VM menu. Select Snapshot, then Take Snapshot. Name it Clean Windows 11 with VMware Tools. Click Take Snapshot. This saves an undo point. If something goes wrong later, you can revert back to this working state. Phase 7. Verification. Test these 5 features. 1. Mouse. Move your mouse in and out of the virtual machine. It should flow freely without clicking. 2. Screen. Resize the VMware window. The window's resolution should adjust automatically. 3. Copy and paste. Copy text from your host computer and paste it into Windows 11. It should work both directions. 4. Drag and drop. Drag a file from your host computer into the virtual machine. The file should appear in Windows 11. 5. Internet. Open Command Prompt. Click the Start button, type CMD and press Enter. Type pingspace 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. You should see replies coming back. Then type pingspace 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. You should see replies from that address as well. If both pings work, your internet connection is working. Type Exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. Congratulations. You have successfully installed Windows 11 on VMware Workstation Pro. Your virtual machine is now ready to use. Just a quick reminder before you go. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.